white banana with lots of seeds in it. The difference between the regular banana and this white banana, you can tell this has corner on each side, like 4 corner, but it's still round on this side. Yeah, see. And then when it get ripe, oh, the seeds is big. Yeah. This. Okay, this is the white banana. We call this Pik-Ew. The heart is not so dark red. It's kind of whitish color. Even though it's turned red, but it's not really red. Yeah, and the heart is pointed. Unlike the regular banana, it's kind of round and then a little bit of pointed on this side. So that's the white banana. And then when it turned ripe, it's turned like this. It's almost rotten. So it has seeds in it. And I'll gonna try to get one and show. So the leaves also, if you know the difference and you get used to it, to the banana, you can tell the difference of the trees, the banana tree. It's also like that, whiter. I mean, unlike the other plantain, the other banana, it's look different. Ayan. The body is like that. It's like pointed also and skinny, although it's hard to show. Ayan. And then this one is the plantain banana. It's bigger. Ayan. The body is bigger on this side and then going smaller on that side. And then the leaves is more darker also. So you can tell that it's different. But it's hard if you don't know. Let's see the other one. This one is lighter. And then the leaves is a little bit pointed compared to the other one, like this side. So this is pointed, and then the length of this to this side is shorter. That's the Pik-Ew. And then the other one, the plantain, is wider here. This is pointed, so this is the white banana. So that's it's look like the same as the heart of the banana because it's pointed. Where is it? Yeah, just like that, pointed, and the color is lighter. So I tried to get one and I smashed them and showing the inside of the banana, and then I grabbed this one. Wait, it's focus. And I grab one. I'm gonna wash it and show. Ayan, it's dirty because it's dropped on the ground. This is the banana. Right, let's wash. So that's why it's white. The meat is whiter compared to the regular banana. So let's see the inside. And a lot of seeds. That's the banana. That's a lot of seeds. Yan. You see?